been a lot of conversation about how Miss Pearly Things and the way she skyrocketed to success in our space has got some people a little bit irritated. Her numbers are crazy. That means she struck a nerve with some of the haters, usually with low numbers and subs, caught all up in their little feelings, y'all. Personally, I've been following Pearly Things for almost a year now. I reached out to her a few months ago and I never heard back, but it's cool. I believe her winning is in the way she handles her interview. Some people think she capitalizing off our culture, but I personally believe she could strive in anybody's culture based on her logic and intelligence alone. The way she defends us men against the matrix minds is like watching a master class. She don't get mad, she don't get salty, she don't insult, she don't degrade, she just stays on topic and drives her point home like a redneck truck on the way to Alabama. So I ask you, subscribers, Patreon members, friends, and haters, does Pearly Things deserve a nomination for the Amazing Creator Awards? Is she riding the wave of the manosphere? Are we riding the wave to her success? Or is she kicking ass into space and a lot of people have a problem with that? We're going to take a look at some of her work so I can show you why I think she's worthy of an ACA award. And like the brother Obsidian says, fair use, fair use.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's now the time for the Amazing Creator Awards, also known as the ACA.
Celebration, yeah, we used to it. Gotta do it for all of my YouTubers. You deserve your flowers encore. By time we celebrate our awards. So raise your cups up and let's see. Presented by the Traveler G now.
Ready or not, yeah.
The big boy.
One nation under YouTube.
Can I get it on a good foot?
Getting down.
Good God.
All content creators. One nation under YouTube. Nothing can stop us now.
What it good be? Hopefully this is what it should be. This is your boy NAONAA.
What up, is DJ EFN?
Drink Champs, Yappy Hour. Make some noise!
$1 million worth of game.
When I said to my homies, I'm about to start giving game to the
They thought
youth.
you was crazy.
And I said, I'm gonna get game, and then at the end, I'm gonna be like, right. Them niggas was sitting there looking at me like I was scared. I don't know. I probably gotta see you do it. Then when I did that shit,
right.
You got something to get.
Everywhere we go, people wanna know who we are, so we tell them.
Why do women proudly chant, "Pussy runs the world," but then also complain guys only want sex?
I don't know why they complain about that, but pussy definitely runs the world. You can make a man do a lot of things.
Does pussy actually run the world, or does it just control the men who built and maintain the world?
You know what? I feel attacked by that statement.
Because men cannot live without sex. And it really does run the world.
Women rule the world, but pussy just manages it.
Do you think there was ever a time when pussy didn't run the world?
No.
So why are women complaining about past oppression if they always had pussy power?
They want equal rights, and that's bullshit.
Women divorce men 70 to 80% of the time. I would argue in relationships it's probably similar. Men aren't leaving, women are. So to a guy's point of view, he's going to commit to this girl. And what does he get? He doesn't get purity anymore, these hoes. He doesn't get youth anymore, so he doesn't get either of those things. A lot of times she already has a kid, so he's not fulfilling his mating strategy. On top of that, even if he does find a good woman that maybe has the qualities he's looking for, she was going to want him to marry her. And what does he get out of that? Oh, she can leave and take half and take my kid. And she's paid to take my kids away from me. She gets more money if she takes my children. And so from the men's point of view, they're just kind of like, F it, because like women aren't wives nowadays.
What up, y'all? That's just a little taste of what's about to happen. It's time we give props to the YouTubers that's been grinding over the years. People like Coach Greg Adams, Melly Monaco, Joe Buck, end of sentence. Mike Tyson is complicated, pearly things, and people you like and people you might not like. Creating a successful YouTube channel is like trying to make it to the NBA, y'all. It's a lot of work. People deserve their flowers, and the amazing Creator Awards is gonna give it to them. Some of the categories will be Podcast of the Year, Reaction Channel of the Year, Best Comedy Skits, Best Verses, and the People's Champ Awards. Subscribe to my other channel, Zoom to Thailand Live. That's where the amazing Creator Awards will be had. Each week, as we get closer to the ACA Awards, I'm going to show you guys just a little bit more scenes from the nominees. Subscribers, friends, and haters will also be able to weigh in on the nominees and categories. Make sure to subscribe to Zoom to Thailand Live for all the information.
You did.
Also, if you plan on zooming to Thailand or you need to holler at the Travel OG, join the Patreon. And if you really want a one-on-one, book a consultation and see what the hype is all about.
Tired of fighting with your girl? Tired of dealing with the same stuck-up women when you go out in the States? Tired of these fake-ass IG models begging for cash apps? Fellas, I'm here to tell you, you don't have to settle. The women in Pattaya outnumber the men 20-1 out here. No matter your age, your race, your height, or even your weight, they don't discriminate. They don't discriminate. Think I'm lying? Zoom to Thailand with your man Richie Mack, the Travel OG. Make sure to like and subscribe to all my videos. You got questions? No problem. You balling on a budget? No problem. You scared of rejection? No problem. It's impossible to fail here. Book a consultation, become a Patreon member, make new friends, and join the family of Zoom to Thailand. Your life will never be the same. Zoom Tribe!
Man, even the gas attendants, even the gas girl attendants, man, that square got 170K. You see what I'm saying? She pumps gas, man. This is what the gas pumping women look like. You can't make this shit up. She pumps gas, and she's beautiful. Take her out that outfit and put her in a regular outfit, she'll be killing the game. That's a little pretty one. But anyway, they do the windows, they don't complain. She got a little something back there in her little khakis. But I'm just showing how the window clean, how they do it. Full service. Do they got full service in America? I don't know if they got full service.
They need to bring it back.
Especially they paying for gas, they better give you some full service.
Yeah, get full service. That way you ain't got to worry about nobody jacking. You ain't lying for what you paying for gas.
Yeah. I want some full service in that bitch.
Theme music.
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mack, Travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mack, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mack, Travel OG, let's go.
Gonna be on the wraps on the vans in Thailand. We're gonna be showing the Zoom to Thailand on the bot bus. Y'all understand me? It's called promotion, man. You gotta learn to promote your business. You understand me? Talking that Thai talk. You understand me? Y'all remember when y'all come to Thailand, this is what you gonna see on the side of the bot bus. Yeah, it is.